Hello everyone and welcome back to the Dragon Cave. Thank you for watching. Today we are going to be opening some of the Dawn of the Z Legend premium pack. So let's get busy. Let's open this up. And yes, thank you for watching, guys. If you have not yet, please like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for tuning into the Dragon Cave. Let's open this pack set. So we're going to be taking a look at all 4 cover arts. Very nice. You got all 4 here. You got your promo card, which is a Vegeta. Beautiful. SS Vegeta, man. Place that here. Small shuffle. We're going to start with the Bardock. And I've yet not pulled a God Rare. I've pulled 2 SCRs, some SPRs, but not a God Rare. So let's hope we get some first pack magic. Can that be? So we're gonna kind of slow roll some of these. Some of this artwork on these cards is just, man, some nostalgia too. Okay, got a rare. First hit. Ooh, okay. Not a hit there, but it's the right way to start it. So we're just gonna be placing these packs, these dead cards here. Foil cards. We'll place it here. Go with the second pack now. SS Bardock, SS Force Son Goku. Alright. Got For the Sake of the Family. Super Shenron. You got a Piccolo. Ooh, okay. For the hit. Got a rare. Yeah. Okay. Serious yet? Nothing serious yet. We move into a third pack. Okay. Leading off with a nice Yamcha. Piccolo Jr. Iskai. K2. Got a Vegeta. Okay. All through his hand. Okay, you got a nice Krillin foil here. Let's see this hit. Ooh, okay. 3, huh? 3-0. 3-0. Man. Might just be we might been we're saving all our magic for this last pack here. So hopefully we get some last pack magic here. So let's go. Got Piccolo. Glimpse of Might. Yamcha, training begins. Got a Dark Broly. You got a Pan. Got Master Roshi's training. Got Piano Faith Aid. Okay. Got a Whis the Visitor. Ooh, okay. Saints Willpower. And for the last card, let's see. Okay. You got an SR, SS Gogeta. Power Connect. Ooh, okay. That. Okay. Might have to sleeve that up. So this is the only hit here. Let's leave that up. Okay, nice and snug. Very nice. Okay. These things here. Only showing off these. Nice couple foils. Got the promo card. And you got that SAR. And once again,
and
guys,
thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.